Hey, how's it going? My name is Jackson. I am the owner of Mount Baker Window Cleaning Company. We've recently reached out to 180 sites to redesign our website because we hadn't been happy with our web designers in the past. And I have to say that they did a phenomenal job of creating our website for us. They built us a bunch of awesome interactive pages and got us a lot of really good content on there. I love how the website is strung together. Everything is very easy for the customers to make a booking with us, read up on our information, look at our reviews. It's integrated with Nice Job and also Jobber, some of the CRM software that we use. So everything is very streamlined. So the site looks awesome. It's easy to use. 180 Sites is awesome with communicating and getting any updates or changes to the site done. So I highly recommend them. 5 out of 5 stars. Thank you a lot, 180 Sites. We're really happy with the website. It's definitely the best one yet.